Hello everyone. Today, I would like to introduce the overhead beam filter press. Unlike conventional filter presses, its filter plates are not supported by a bottom beam. Instead, they are suspended from a high-mounted beam at the top of the machine. Its key advantages include 1. High structural stability, ideal for ultra-large filtration areas and heavy-duty industrial operations. 2. Rapid multi-plate discharging significantly shortens cycle time and maximizes daily production efficiency. 3. Effortless side access maintenance, 100% unobstructed sides allow for fast cloth replacement and easy cleaning. 4. Superior corrosion anti-pollution design, top-mounted drive mechanisms stay clear of slurry, extending equipment lifespan. The suspension beam filter press is ideal for large-scale, automated industries requiring high-capacity dewatering and maximum purity, including mining, tailings, concentrates, wastewater treatment, sludge, chemicals, corrosive, viscous fluids, and food, pharmaceuticals, syrups, starch. Dazhang filter. Think what you care. Want to learn more about our products? Contact us.